Hello, welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more, today I have the winter Walmart beauty box. I figured I would jump on here, show you what I got, give you a little information on the box. But real quick, before we get started, I did use the SheGlam Seafoam palette today for this look. Figured I would show you a little bit how it looks. Glasses might help. If I take them off, it might help. Here's a little bit of the look. Again, unfortunately, I got sick and then I had a bit of a depression that hit me, and I didn't want to do anything. If you guys are familiar, if you have somebody that has anxiety or depression, you know that getting out of bed is a win sometimes. So unfortunately it happens, and I am slowly getting over it and getting better. But yeah, I just was not about anything, and I didn't want to try to jump on and try to be happy or try to be something that I couldn't be. So I had to take a couple days, and yeah, I'm getting better, but it happens, and that's why I tell you guys at the end of each video, today is not a good day. That's okay, because all we can do is try, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So again, I'm getting there, I'm getting better, but yeah, it got me. Go figure. Right after you get sick, depression's like, you feeling better, right? Guess what you haven't thought about lately? And it got me, and it won. So I'm trying not to let it win anymore. So I'm working on it. But if you guys are not familiar, I digress, I apologize. If you guys are not familiar, this is a seasonal box. It is $5 a season. They say that you're only paying for the shipping, so I just still say it's a $5 box. Inside, you do get a little pamphlet. This shows you everything you could have gotten along with the price for full size. Now, most of the stuff is sample size, but sometimes you do get a gem, or sometimes you get a full size product that you're like, sweet. So let's just get started. The first thing I got is from Hard Candy, and this is Sheer Envy Setting Spray. Hopefully you guys can see it. I believe this is a full size too. Let's check it out. Yes, this is full size, and this is $5.97. So right there, you cover the box and a little bit more, and it is 2.2 ounces. So I'm interested. It is 12-hour stay. We will see. And it has cucumber extract, so it should smell decent. Okay. Yeah, it kind of reminds me of the Wet n Wild one. It smells just like that. We'll see if it works. The next thing I got is from Degree, and this is just a deodorant. Cute little travel size. These are good for just throwing in your purse sometimes. This is normally $5.94 full size. So let's see. This is Jasmine and Apple. And I broke it. Let's see if I can put that back on. Okay, you can smell it a little bit. Yeah, not bad. Works. And like I said, sometimes you need to throw it in your purse or something. Perfect little size. So let's keep going. The next thing I got is from number 7. This is an advanced retinol. It is a night concentrate. Oh man. It's a night cream. Here you go. That's what the box looks like. Oh, there we go. See how small it is? Yep. It's a tiny one. There you go. But it's always good. It's a night cream. I mean, you might get 1 or 2 uses out of this, but normally the full size for this is $34.98, and it is 1 fluid ounces. This one you're getting 0.1, so it's tiny, but hey, not bad. You can always see if you like it or try it. Let's keep going. The next thing I got is from My Bite. These are guilt-free chocolatey vitamins. Oh my gosh. I swear I can talk. See, this is what happens when I don't film like I'm trying to. But here's what the box looks like. In the back, it gives you all the flavors they have. Wanna try one? Should I? Maybe? Let's see. I think I already took out one. So you have multi-her, energy, multivitamin, and calcium. I took out the energy one. Let's see. This one has caffeine and it is only 25 calories. It smells interesting. Let's see. It's a vitamin. It's interesting. The full size, which is a 60-day supply, is $11.96. I don't like it. I've had worse vitamins, don't get me wrong, but thank you. Hey, if it works for people, more power to you. If you love them, that is amazing. They're just that's not my cup of tea. But yeah, so a 60-day supply is only $12, which isn't bad at all if you do like it. The next thing I got is from Cetaphil, and this is the Healthy Glow Daily Cream. I'm trying to finish this thing, I'm so sorry. That's what it looks like. The full size is $16.97. This is clearly a sample size. Full size comes with 1.7 ounces. This comes with 0.34. Not bad. Cute little daily cream. And it's supposed to hydrate dehydrated skin. And keeps hydrating for 48 hours. Not bad. Okay. I'm gonna have to get her drink soon. The final thing is from BioOil, and this is a dry skin gel. The full size is $5.99 and comes with 1.7 ounces. This is just clearly a little sample size, but still not bad. Like I said, you're getting the box for $5, so it's definitely a good little thing. And like I said, sometimes you do find those gems that you are just really surprised about, and it's not bad. I wish they were a little bit more consistent when it comes to shipping, because I know I did one a little bit ago and I thought that was the winter one, but this is the winter one. So like I said, I just wish shipping was a little bit better, but I think with everything going on in the world, it's to be expected, so it happens. It's okay. Just a quick reminder that you are strong. You are beautiful. And sometimes you just have to know that you are enough. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All I can do is try. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing weekend. Bye, guys.